Till now we have learned about information gathering part, web vulnerability scanning part, web vulnerability analysis part. Now we are proceeding to our next module, which is database analysis or database injection part in Kali Linux. As you can see, if you click here in applications, we have done these parts. Now we are proceeding to database assessment, and we will see the most important tools in database assessment. Here you can see these all tools are available for database assessment, but out of those only 4 or 5 tools are important for us. Others are just oldest version of the softwares. The updated versions are available in Kali Linux. So first of all, we are proceeding to our first tool, which is jSQL. This one. If you don't know how it works, then you have to click on this, click on jSQL. Or you can go to the command prompt. If we can see that if there is a module of jSQL or not. No, they don't have any manual entry, so it's okay for us. This is jSQL. jSQL is a database injection tool, and it is used to hack a live website database. How you can hack a website? You can use jSQL to hack a website. If we talk about here you can see there is a search bar in which you have to put the address or the URL area, right? And in this URL area you have to put the victim URL address of the website. So in address area you have to put manually the website of the target website, right? So first of all, we have to find out the SQL websites. It only works for MySQL database, right? And you can see that there is also a latest version available. You can go on this link and you can go to the GitHub link and you can download the latest jSQL tool available in Kali Linux. So first of all let's find out the ethical hacking or the hacked websites of SQL. Go here and I have websites. Let's try it. Type vulnweb.com. Click here and you can see the 4 websites in which you can see that this one is using MySQL, so we can use this one. Click here and you can use this website. We have to find out the link of this website. This is not the actual link. We have to find out some link. So I'm going to Google again, and you have to use Google hacking operators like cite, colon, and copy this, paste, space, php $ID equals to, enter it. So you can see that there are so many links are available for this website. You can see here, the here, or here. It is not a link, right? It is not a link. You have to go through like this, like artist equal to 1 or id equal to 1. This should be considered as a link. Cat equal to 2, yeah. So I'm taking the first one. This is a link of the website. If we want to check it is vulnerable or not, just put dash on that. And if this warning comes, it means this website is vulnerable to SQL injection, right? So copy that link and we have to paste here, right? This is our link and I'm gonna use it like http://www. This one is. Now you have to click on this as start injection. So I'm clicking here, the start injection. It has started here, the time-based testing. You have to wait for some time because it is fetching some important information regarding the database. Right? It will tell us the database tables, the admin panel, and all for us regarding this website. So you have to keep patience to get the result from jSQL tool. As I already told you, this tool is really good to fetch information from MySQL database. And yeah, you can see here that the information, the fetching is done from this jSQL. If we click on chunk, then you can see that it is showing that we have find out the information schema database. If you click on binary, you can see all the binary links available in the website. And if you click on network, it will tell you that how the script of jSQL goes. They are checking each and every script to find out the vulnerability in the website. So that's how jSQL works. Now we are proceeding to our next, which is this one. If you can see that this is the database of the testphp.vulnweb.com website. If you click here, it is finding, actually it is finding, it is running. It is also telling you the admin address. If you click here, find admin page, it will also tell you the admin. They are finding the admin panel of the page. Now you can see here, yes, here, that it has find out the tables in the database of this website. It means we have now inside the MySQL database of the website. It means we have hacked the database actually right now. You didn't do anything, you just put the URL in the search box, click on the start scan, and that's it. All of the work will do by jSQL. This is the beauty of jSQL. So if you click here, they are finding out the 3 rows in the artist table. It is taking some time, right? So these are the 3 tables available in the, let's check out load. I'm clicking on load, and it will, in the right side, it will tell you the information regarding these artist table. It will take some time because it has just started jSQL, and after one table will load, the other tables will load very frequently. There are so many other tables are also available here, right? So you can see that these tables are available in the database of the website. And here you can see there are some pictures, products, user tables, guest book, featured, catalog, all are available. And you can see this sign, it means it is loading them. So it will take some time to load the content of these tables inside our jSQL, right? So for some time I'm doing pause to my video so that when it fetches. So that's how you can see here that the all columns available in the database are here. Stop. So I'm clicking on the user table, clicking on the name, and right click it and click on load button to load the name from the users. As you can see there, the address card cc, as you can see the name has been the test. If I click on all columns and then click on load, then it will tell me each and everything available in the column of the users table. And it will take time because there are thousands of email addresses are here. So I'm gonna do it one by one. I'm stopping it and I'm doing it one by one, right? So let's open the addresses available in the users table. I'm clicking on load. Now it is finding the addresses available in the jSQL injection or this website testphp.vulnwv. Now you can see here that this address has been found in this website, right? And let's click on the cart, what it contains. So load it. So I'm clicking on the cart, the what we found in the cart of the test PHP. Yeah, this is the cart. Now I'm clicking on the email addresses. I want to find all email addresses from here. So I'm clicking on the load. I want to find the email address. There is email address available in their database. Let's find out very fast. You can see that the email address has been found, test@atl or mutual.com. Let's find out the username and the password and the phone numbers available in the users table. Let's load it. The password, phone, we have find out the name, right? Name is test. So let's find out the password is also test. Phone number is available. The test is also the username. Let's find out some other things available. And let's find out the price tag from the products. Click on load. So I'm finding out the price column from the product area, right? Yeah, you can see the prices. These are the price column available in their database. So that's how you can check that how you can create or you can do an injection on a particular website by using its own link available on the internet. That's really easy for you to find out these informations from the available databases in the website, right? And now we will find out some more options. Like if I want to find the image from the pictures, let's find out what it contains. These are the images: pick ID, font, price, title of the table, and it is finding out the image for us, right? Let's find out the type of images available in the database. And now you can see that the link of the pictures has been available for us, right? So there are thousands of websites available on internet which you can use to find out the related columns available here, right? So this is all about JSQL injection, that how it works, how their internal script works, or how now you can see that the scripts are working regular on the basis. The scripts are working. This is the source code of the website. This is the preview, that how this website looks. If I drag here on the left side, you can see this website looks like this, right? headers, parameters, timing. This is the preview. If you don't know how to check it, just go here, go to this link, and you can see this website looks like this, right? And there is also in jSQL, it is showing you that how it looks in the preview part. Browse categories, browse artist, your cart. The browse categories, browse your cart. The same thing is available for us in jSQL also. So that's why jSQL is the best, one of the best, not the best, one of the best tool available in the Kali Linux. In next videos, we will learn some more important tools of database assessment in the Kali Linux, which you can use in your future. Now, in previous videos, we have learned some tools to attack on the database of some websites, right? And we have also gained information about the database columns, tables, and the data inside the columns, like email IDs, username, passwords, name, locations, etc. about the customers inside the database, right? But if you don't know about what is a database or what is a MySQL database, that's what I'm going to tell you. What is the database and how a developer create the database. In Kali Linux, there is a tool to learn about it. Click on applications, go to the database assessment and click on the SQLite database. This one. This is the DB browser for SQLite. This tool will tell you how you can create a database, how you can manage a database, and how you can put the data into columns, or how will you extract it. All will be included in this tutorial, right? And here we will learn how you can create a database, the tables, and the columns related to MySQL. Fine, so let's proceed it. First of all, create on a database, a new database. So you have to click on the new database. Let's click here. Or should I done in the root? Save. Now you can see that a table option has popped up. You have to click, you have to make a table. So I'm making a table username admin underscore username, and you have to add field means the columns. This is the table name and you have to make a field. So username, it should be not integer, obviously it should be text, and add another one, the password, it should be a text. Okay, right, let's create another one, emails, and you have to click on add field, and you have to create the columns in the emails tables. So let's create a column email underscore ID, and it should be text. Now click OK. So you can see here that in the database, right, there are two tables. One is email and one is admin underscore username, and in email there is one column which is email underscore ID, and in admin underscore username table there are two columns which is username and password, right? Write changes. Write changes means save changes to the database. Now this is the admin username and emails, so let's put an email, Sunil Gupta 9259@yahoo.com. This is my personal email ID. New record. Sunil Gupta 9257@yahoo.com. Okay. So next, go to admin_username. Let's put the username and password here. Some username password like Bob, or let's make another record. Sunil, and here you can put Gupta. Okay, or make another. You are not creating any coding. The tool is creating coding itself. Ethical hacker, right? So these two have been created. Let's create one more. Sunil Gupta 9259@yahoo.com. Okay, right changes. That's it. So it has been saved. You can click on edit program. And you can browse data from here. You can see the database structure, that it has two columns, it has one column, right? And you can execute the SQL queries from here, like select star from emails. Yes. And click on this one to find out the data from here. Like if I click on select star from emails, so in the emails you can see there are two types of email IDs available. So it has find out that two email IDs are available here, right? So let's click on here and click admin_username to find out what is inside it. Click here and you can see that there are two types of queries available here to find out the data. Let's create another table. Phone numbers, and let's create a field here. Mobile number. Yeah, obviously it should be an integer, so I don't have to create. Okay. Browse data, click on phone numbers, click on new record, and you have to put here the phone numbers. Like my WhatsApp number is 9929002937. This is my WhatsApp number, right? And I'm from India. This is my WhatsApp number, and click on OK. And it has been saved here. Write changes to save about database structure. You can see there are three tables. In this table, there is a mobile number type of table. If you click on execute SQL, then remove it. Select star from, what is the number? Phone space Let's modify it. Just underscore numbers. Okay. Now go here. The phone score. Once again, write changes and database structure. You can see phone underscore numbers. Phone should be capital. Phone underscore numbers. Click here, and this is my WhatsApp number. Right? So that's how you can create, you can execute, or you can find out the content related to the database. That's what I was teaching you. That's what I was telling you, that how you can create a database, how you can manage the queries, and how you can extract queries using SQLSus, SQLMap, or jSQL type of tools available in our Kali Linux operating system. So that's how the SQLite database works. Now in this video we will learn how you can do, or you can perform, a different database assessment tool, which is SQLSus. If you don't know about SQLSus, then click on the applications, click on data assessment, and go here. Click here. This is SQLSus, which you can use to assess the data from a website. In this video, we will use a different website and we will try to hack that website by enumerating their database, tables, columns, and the data itself. Man, SQLSus. There is no manual entry, it's okay. I will explain you here. So SQLSus is basically a tool in Kali Linux which is used to work to hack the websites regarding MySQL database. So let's try how we can use the SQLSus. First of all, there is a file regarding SQLSus which is vuln.conf. Locate vuln.conf. So this is the file which we are looking for. This file is regarding SQLSus database. So let's go there, /root/vuln.conf. Let's go there, ls. Yes, here you can see this is the file which you are looking for, vuln.conf. You can use nano command to find out what is inside it. This is the nano command. This is the file which we are looking for. This file is based on SQLSus, as you can see here, SQLSus, and this is the code basically which is used to inject in a website by SQLSus. Just click on down arrow, or you can go there. Now you can see there is a website which you can use, but initially it wasn't there, right? So you have to put the victim website here in the URL start area, right? This is the local area, and here you have to put your target. So this is the code regarding SQLSus to find out the information regarding the database of the particular victim. You can also open this website in this file in gedit. Click gedit vuln.conf. Yeah, so this is the gedit, right? So you can also see the same file in gedit. So first of all, to start hacking with SQLSus, you have to set up that vuln.conf file and you have to put your target in that website, right? So I'm removing this target, and let's find out the target which we are looking for. Click on save. That's it. So first of all, we are finding a website which we will hack and using SQLSus. So open up your browser, go to Google, and now go to the particular victim website site. We will hack babelhistory.com. This is the website which we will hack. This is the ancient information, right? So let's go back. This is the website. Now we have to find out the link as we have find in our previous videos of a website. So go to Google again and just type site colon, copy the URL here, paste it, space php question mark id equals to. So you can see we can find out in the green color, these are the links available for the website, right? And pick up anyone. So I'm picking up the first one, and let's open it. So this is the link which we were looking for, and we found out the link, and we will use it in our vuln.conf file. Copy it, minimize, open up the terminal, ls, you will find out the vuln.conf file here. Right, but before that you have to type some important command, clear it, then type SQLSus -g vuln.conf. Well, vuln.conf already exists. Overwrite, yes, I want to overwrite. That's it. The configuration successfully saved to vuln.conf. This is the first command you have to put in your terminal. Then you can open up with gedit. So type gedit space the file name, which is vuln.conf. It is in our root directory, that's why I didn't mention the path of the file. Otherwise you have to put, if it is on desktop, then you have to put like this /cd, or I'm sorry, /root/desktop and / the particular file, but on the desktop, but it is on the root folder, so I don't have to put the path of the file. So if I click on gedit of vuln.conf, it will open up the file in gedit. Yes, so you can see that this is the code related to the vuln.conf file in gedit. They are using so many hex codes, ASCII values in their code, right? And now we have to put our target here, right? So let's go to terminal and again copy it, and then put in our gedit location, paste. It is necessary to put this http://www, otherwise it will give you an error. So remember, you have to put this one and put the whole link here in this one, not in this one. In this one you have to put your target here, right? And click on the save button to save the file. Save. Cross it. If you want to check it has saved or not, then type nano space vuln.conf. This is the nano. You can find your clicking on down arrow, and we have to find out. You can see here, yes, that our target has been saved here, right? So that's how you can check that your target website or which you are hacking in future has been saved in the vuln.conf file or not, and it is clearly we can see that the target website has been saved in the file on the URL area. So this is all about the configuration part of the vulnerable SQLSus website. Now we go there, data assessment, click on SQLSus. These are all the commands available here. So type SQLSus space the file name vuln.conf. When you enter, it will automatically detect the target in the vuln.conf file which we have put previously. So let's enter it. Now you can see that it has find out the target which we have put in our config file, right? Now you can see that the target has been set. Now you have to just type start, and it will find out the database. Means it is really quick. In half a second it has find out the Bible_history is the database available in the website within half seconds. So that's why it is the one of the most fast tool available in the Kali Linux. That's how it works. And now you can see the Bible histories are database. Now you have to type get tables to find out the table names available in the database. Now you can see here that these all are tables available in the database. These all are tables available in the database, in which we can find out, yes, these are useful for us, like emails. Maybe email ID will be saved in these administrators, maybe username and password will be saved. So we'll find out in the later part, but still we have the table names in our hands. Right? So within half seconds we have found out the database name, and within half seconds we have find out the table names. Next half seconds we will find out the column names. Get columns. That's it. How much time it taken? 1 second. And these are the columns available in the particular table. Yes. In my opinion, these two are important for me. I don't want any other columns. I need these two. I want to find the email IDs of users, subscribers, as well as I want to find the username and password of the admin panel. That's what I want from that. So let's find out some emails or some administrators. First of all, I will do some administrators. So I want to select all from administrator table. So type select star. Star means all from. Oh my god. First of all, let's clear it. First of all, I will get you again, like first of all we have typed SQL vuln.conf, then we have typed start, right? Then it has started. Then we type the get tables to get the tables. Then you have to get columns to get the columns available in the database. You can see I have typed get columns to find out the columns available in the database. Then I see that there are some columns which are important for me, so I'm trying to find out the columns. So let's type select star from administrator table, administrators. So I want to get everything from administrators table. Enter. Now you can see that we have find out the username and the password available in the database, and you can see clearly in half seconds we have find out the username and password of the admin panel. So I'm giving you a task to find out the admin panel of this website. If you complete this task, I will give you my other courses for free. So it's your task to find out the admin page of this website. If you complete it, message me on Udemy. Now SQLSus, then I'm finding the information regarding the email addresses. Select star from emails, and now it is the best finding of the week. Now you can find out the email addresses in the website. That's what I want. That these are not fake emails, right? These are the real email IDs available in the database. Real email IDs. I'm not giving you any sample example. I'm giving you a real hacking website here. These all are real emails available in that website. Now you can see that this is the real hacking in this hacking world, and this is just a sample. It's the example is not a sample. I'm just giving you my opinion that this hacking is just 1% for me, right? So these are all information available here about the email IDs regarding users. This person is created on 2016. This person. Yeah. Let's try out some other tables. What do you think? What should I? Which one? I will find out where I can find something useful. Like I want to find this one. Okay, let's copy it. Copy. Let's find out what is inside this one. Select star from, enter. Yes, the username admin Jim Rusty, the user pass allowed lines. These are also email IDs of admin Jim at the biblehistory.com, Jim at Devon.com, Rusty at biblehistory.com. So these are all admin email IDs available here, which you can use later to do social engineering with these admins. Oh my god, how is it this? Find out. Let's find out some more information from the database. Both topics, forums, guestbook, administrator, email IDs. I think we should find out this one. BH_guestbook. What is inside it? Copy it. And select star from paste. Whoa. Now you can find out the guest users and their location, Washington DC, and this is the email address. This is the email address, this one. Yeah. The white hat, their email address. Yeah. So these all are users available in the database. So I hope you have learned everything, that how you can use the SQLSus database to configure first of all your vuln.conf file, and then you can do some more stuffs, some fun stuffs with SQLSus to gain more and more information about the database. So this is all about the SQLSus, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.